What's up, YouTube peeps and barbecue freaks? Thank you guys for stopping by today. Today's video, we're going to do some chicken wings. Yes, wings, chicken wings. We're going to start these out on the Traeger. We're going to let them take some smoke, and we're going to bring them in, and then we're going to deep fry them for just a bit. So the idea is to have that smoke flavor with that crunchy texture. It's going to be so good. Let's get started. All right, so I have the wings here. I'm gonna do two batches. The first batch I'm gonna season with It's Incredible from Heavy Made Products. And that's what I have here. So I'm just gonna get these seasoned up real good. And then I'll show you what I'm gonna use for the other batch. This It's Incredible is really good on chicken. Actually, it's good on everything. But I really dig it on some chicken. So, let's give these a good coating. And then we'll get the other batch seasoned up. All right, so the second batch of wings, what I'm going to use to season these with is I'm going to use some Morton seasonal, because this goes excellent on some chicken. But then I'm going to come back and hit it with some Sweet Money Rub from Big Papa Smokers. So I'm kind of playing around with this combination here and seeing how it turns out. So this Morton's by itself is excellent on chicken as well. But I'd like, I'm going to try and mix these up and play around with them a little bit. The Morton's is more salty, and Big Papa Smokers is sweeter. So I'm aiming for that, saltiness with a little sweetness to it by combining these two. We'll see how it turns out. Normally I do separate the wings. I'll separate the, remove the wing tip and then just split it right down the middle here. I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to kind of run them whole like this and see what happens. And the idea, actually watching Malcolm Reed's video, he just did something similar to this, or he did wings, the same way as far as cooking them whole, not necessarily using the same rubs, but it looked good. So it got me craving some wings. It got me wanting to try to cook them this way for the first time, whole. So that's what we're going to do today. Give these a good coating. And then come back with the Big Papa Smoker Sweet Money Rub. We'll see how that turns out. So we're gonna get the rest of these rubbed down, and we're gonna let them sit for just about 15 to 20 minutes while the Traeger comes up to temp, and then we'll load them in the Traeger. So I'll pick back up in just a bit. All right, you guys, I've got the wings on the Traeger here. Got some on that top rack and some on the bottom rack. You can see the color, the difference in the color between the It's Incredible and the other wings. So we're gonna let these take smoke for about an hour, and then we're gonna bring them inside and drop them in the deep fryer. But that's what they're looking like now. It's getting dark out here, so next time I pick back up, it'll be when they're done, taking on the smoke, and we're ready to deep fry them. All right, you guys, these wings are done. Well, as far as being, on the Traeger. So this is what they look like. They've been going for 1 hour on the Traeger. Got some nice little color to them. These are the ones that I did with the Morton Seasonal and the Big Papa Smokers Sweet Money Rub. And these are the wings with the It's Incredible. So they went for 1 hour. For the first 30 minutes, I had the temperature on the Traeger at 250 degrees. The last 30 minutes, I bumped it up to 300 degrees. And the pellets that I used, it was a mixture of, it was a 50-50 mix of oak and pecan. So this is what they look like now. We got the fryer up to temp. We're going to drop them in the fryer. I got the fryer sitting at 350. We're going to drop them in there and just let them cook for about a minute. Like I said, they're already done temperature-wise. Now we just kind of want to crisp that skin up. So this is what they look like. We're going to move over to the fryer next. All right, so the fryer is up to temp. We're going to take some of these wings, and I'm going to start with the wings that were seasoned with the It's Incredible. Those are going to be for the missus. We'll get these in here. Oh, stay in place, stay in place. I don't want to overload it too much, so I'm just going to do 4 wings at a time. And we're just going to drop these in here. And we're going to let that go for just about 1 minute. And then I'm going to get the rest of them fried up. And then we'll get to taste testing these. All right, these are the wings with the It's Incredible. They just came out of the fryer. Man, these things are crispy. Look at that. Ooh, hot. These are going to be good, you guys. I'm telling you. Look at that. Nice color. That skin should be crispy. They're going to be good. And these are the wings that were seasoned with the Morton Seasonal and the Big Papa Smokers Sweet Money Rub. So that's what these look like. Just came out of the fryer. We're going to toss them in some sauce. And then we're going to get to tasting. All right, so what I have here, the sauce that I'm using, it's just simply the Frank's Red Hot wing sauce. I just really like the flavor of this stuff. However, there isn't a lot of heat. So what I'm going to do, excuse me, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a serrano pepper. A lot of times I will like just mince it up really finely, but I'm actually going to grate this in here. I've never tried this method with the serrano pepper, so we're going to see how it turns out. I want to add some heat to this sauce. So, let's see. Oh yeah, there's some on the inside. Whoa. That is, yeah, that's strong. Well, that pepper got me. So I'm just going to use about half of that. Dump that right in there. Get a little bit of that outside. Whew, that pepper's hot. And then I'm just going to mix this up a little bit. Make sure I incorporate that serrano pepper in there. And I've got my wings here that we're going to add this sauce to. All right, so I have my wings. I've got the sauce. And what I did with this sauce is I put it in the microwave just to warm it up a little bit. When the sauce is warm, it's easier to toss. So get that in there. Then we're going to give it a, uh-oh, hey, get out of there. We're going to give it a toss. Woo. Oh, I smell that heat. And then we're going to plate these up. So, the wings that had the It's Incredible on it were for the missus. These wings with the Morton Seasonal and Big Papa Smoker Sweet Money Rub are for me. So I'm just going to show you these wings. Although, you know, I'm going to taste the other ones because they're going to be good. But I'm going to taste that naked. Well, I'm not going to be naked. The wings are. Anyway, let's get these plated up. These wings are done. This is what they look like. They sure do look pretty. Look at that. buffalo hot wings. That sauce has some kick. That Serrano really added some heat to that, which I'm kind of excited about. So that's wings. I've got some homemade blue cheese that I whipped up. We're gonna give them a taste. All right, guys, selfie cam mode. We got a wing here. What I did is I went ahead and cut it so that way I wasn't, you know, holding a entire wing. Just the drumette. We're gonna look at that. We're gonna give it a taste, you guys. Cheers. Mmm. That's really good. The wing is cooked perfectly. The sauce, I love the buffalo wing sauce flavor. The Serrano's definitely added the heat that I was looking for. You know what I am gonna do? I am gonna try one of these wings without the sauce and see how that tastes. So let's give that a shot real quick. All right, so here's a wing without any sauce. This is a wing with the Morton seasonal and the sweet money rub from Big Papa Smokers. Let's give this a try and see what it tastes like without the wing sauce. See what it tastes like without the wing sauce. That's actually really, really good. I like the combination. There's definitely that sweet, the saltiness from the Mortons, and then I definitely pick up that sweetness from the Big Papa Smokers rub. So it's good. So anyway, just a quick little rib video. I mean, not rib, wing video. Quick little wing video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, I love that smoky flavor with the crispy texture. You can't beat it. Anyway, I'm going to tear these wings up. I will see you guys next time. Take care.